Are you ready to refresh the way you think? So, with nature, you are more in sync? How about, do you really want to become the best you can be in 2023? Join me as I and others look forward to a new year that will be epic as we celebrate the spring equinox with vim, vigor, and pledge to be more energetic. Hi, I'm Carolyn Hartfield, a health, wellness, and evidence based lifestyle coach. I have been in the health arena for more than 40 years after I purchased my first health food store in the early 1980s. Through the years, I continue to study and grow. I have put together this incredible spring equinox retreat so we can blossom together at the onset of spring as Mother Nature replenishes and opens up all the possibilities as we become better in tune with her awesomeness. This retreat will be held the weekend of March 17th through the 19th at the historic Pine Acres Retreat Center off Lake Allatoona next to the George Washington Carver Park. Because I really want you to come and share this life changing experience with me, check out the all inclusive itinerary so you can see the value in what's being offered. Early bird pricing is only $297 through January 17th. After that, the cost goes back to $397. And oh, as you might imagine, space is limited. So sign up today and plan to join me.